Hi everyone, welcome to Shikara Academy. Today we are going to discuss about different plateaus of India. I'm not going to explain them, but I want to classify them. Look at how many plateaus we have. There are so many plateaus. This is just an image which I've taken from the internet. So Mava, Malwa, Bundelkhand, Bagilkhand, Chotanagpur, Shillong, Dandakaranya, Deccan, Karnataka, Telangana, and if you further classify that, there are so many plateaus. I just want to classify them, how they are done, how the peninsular plateau is classified. I just want to give a brief about that. Okay, if you generally take as peninsular India, okay, we can classify it as various other plateaus, right? Okay, first we can classify it as the first plateau, the uppermost plateau, Marwar Plateau. Marwar Plateau. We can call it as Marwar Upland. Upland is one thing. To the east of it, we have Central Highlands. Central Highland, where we have good forest. Next, we have Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand is also one area which is very, very important. And Malwa, right? I think you can see here different areas. So we have Marwar, right, near Aravalis. We have Central Highlands here. Okay. We have Bundelkhand land here. We have Malwa here. And next we are talking about Bagilkhand. Okay. One more classification is Bagilkhand. Bagilkhand is one more land. And there is one more plateau, that is Chotanagpur Plateau. Chotanagpur. And Meghalaya. Meghalaya Plateau is not a part of Himalayas, but it's a plateau. Please remember, it is a discontinuity between Rajmahal Hills. Meghalaya Plateau. I think you can see. So Bundelkhand Plateau is there, Bundelkhand is there, Bagilkhand is there, Malwa is there, Marwar is there. In between we have Central Highlands, and Chotanagpur Plateau is one, Meghalaya Plateau, or we can even call it as Shillong Plateau, right? Shillong Plateau is also one more thing. And we have Deccan Plateau. Look at it, Deccan Plateau and Chhattisgarh Plateau. Okay, so here Dandakaranya region we have Chhattisgarh Plateau. Okay, so other than this we have Dandakaranya, Meghalaya is done. So we have Deccan, and we have Chhattisgarh, or it is also called as Dandakaranya. Okay, so how many plateaus we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plateaus we have. Okay, these are the main plateaus that we have. And one more thing, in this Chotanagpur, whatever we have, right? Here I want to explain you Chotanagpur again. So before going to that, I want to give you a brief introduction about our mentorship program TSPSC 25-26 is going to happen in our institute. One-to-one mentorship will be there by Deepika ma'am, and regular mock test feedback will be there. Weekly live doubt clearing sessions, minimum 6 months of coaching. And if you want any doubts, call to our number 7702026769. And we have TSPSC Group 1 batch, completely PCM batch. So we have live plus recorded classes, 100% syllabus coverage, prelims plus main test series. Subject based practice test will be there, which used to be 50,000, now only for 40,000 you're getting it. If you want demo classes for this group 1 and group 2, you can call to this number 7702026769. So we will allow you for few classes so that you can get to know how things are going on. So group 2 coaching, which used to be 25,000, now reduced to 25,000 with 100% syllabus coverage, comprehensive current affairs test, and weekly doubt clearing sessions also will be there. So these are the things that we're going to offer you. And now my induction here is, look at the Chotanagpur Plateau. This is where we have Chotabai. So Chotabai again divided into Hazira Plateau. Hazira Plateau. Hazira Plateau again divided to the east of Hazira Plateau we have Ranchi Plateau. And to the east of Ranchi Plateau we have Rajmahal. Rajmahal. This is one thing that is that you have to understand. Other than this, we have something called the great Deccan Plateau, the Great Deccan Plateau. Here we have Maharashtra and Karnataka and Telangana. So now look, we have 7, 8, 9, in that 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, of course these two if you remove Chotanagpur and Deccan, because they had been divided into. So we have 13 plateaus. 13 plateaus. Oh my God, look at it. Telangana plateau, Karnataka plateau, Deccan plateau, right? We have Maharashtra plateau. Maharashtra plateau here. Okay. Deccan plateau, as I said, again divided between Deccan, Maharashtra plateau, Karnataka plateau, and Telangana plateau. Similarly, we have here Rajmahal Hills. Rajmahal Hills were used to be part of Shillong plateau, but it was divided because of the Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. It was broken down into pieces and formed as Bangladesh, for example. Okay, Chotanagpur. To the north, we have Ranchi plateau. Okay, Ranchi plateau, and to the east, we have Hazirabad plateau. So these are the plateaus that we have in India. India is not a small country, man. India is very, very vast. How many, differences of opinions we have, differences of democracies we have, differences of minerals we have, differences of monsoon we have. But India is great, right? For example, you can see Rajmahal Hills here, Rajmahal, and here we have Meghalaya. So between we used to have mountains, but they were broken down now. Okay, and Malayagiri here, Chotanagpur, Chhattisgarh, Dandakaranya, and we have Nallamala, Papikondalu. If you come down, Javadi Hills, Dodabetta, Anemudi, Anemale, Cardamom, Nilagiri, Karnataka, Mahabaleshwar, Borgad. Borgad is where we have monsoons coming into India and having good amount of rainfall in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, Deccan Plateau and Thalghat, Ajanta Mountains, Satpura Mountains, Vindhya Mountains, Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand, Bagelkhand, and Gurushika Peak. That is the only forest area we have in Rajasthan. So these are the things we have. Okay. So this is what about the plateaus of India. So hope in next video will be informative. We don't want to drag the video into like explaining the whole geography, but we want to give you the insights or the preliminary knowledge that is required for map pointing or maybe prelims. Okay, that is what we try to give. And if you have joined our main courses, there exclusively we will be dealing about all these aspects. Thank you.